In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your Tidio account with your Gmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to your Tidio panel. From here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go down to the menu and click on Settings. From here, you'll need to scroll down on the Settings tab until you see Email. From here, you'll see here start managing your support email in 3 steps, connect your mailbox, add a domain, and set a sender address. From here, you'll need to connect the mailbox, and then you'll need to choose the provider, which for this tutorial will be Gmail. From here, you'll need to go over and choose the specific Gmail account that you want to connect with your Tidio and click Continue. From here, as you can see now, it has been verified, and you can also go down here to enable Lero by clicking right here, and then you can set up Lero AI. From here, you can enter the URL to your address and click Add Knowledge, like so. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!